Today I'm going to focus on the 26 grain JSB Redesigns only. I had a little boo-boo with the gun. I had a power plenum installed and it just doesn't want to go up beyond 900 feet a second. So I decided let's do pellets today. I'm just going to compare it to the slugs right at the end to give you guys an indication. But this is going to be our main focus. So first up I'm going to shoot with the chrony on just to check the speeds. And then the second time round I'm going to shoot this without the chrony on and absolutely concentrate on giving you guys the best groupings I can possibly can as a shooter. Let's have some fun.
The redesigns didn't disappoint, right from 672 feet per second all the way up to 894 feet per second. The groupings were immaculate, and it leaves one to ponder, do we really need slugs?
Round 2, power setting 1. That was pretty impressive, except for the shooter behind the gun, the IDT-10T. I made a couple of errors there, but I'll show them out to you guys, so not as to be negative against the pellet itself. I knew I pulled 1 or 2 shots on that sequence. Let's go and have a look.
Once again, I'm mightily impressed by the redesigns, especially that 672 feet per second grouping, all the way up to the 900 feet per second. The gun just loved these redesigns. I still don't know why I'm bothering with slugs.
JSB exacts? I'm lying. Time to have some fun. JSB Redesigned 26 grainers running at 870 feet a second versus JSB Knockout slugs at exactly the same speed. Who will be the best? I'm going to shoot 17 shots on each. Let's go for this. Up first, the redesigns. JSB Knockouts, slugs, 25.39 grain. That's too close to call from here. I'll have to get the veneer out. That was interesting. I didn't think that the JSB Knockouts would perform on such a low speed setting. Always something new to learn.
The JSB Knockouts really surprised me at that slower speed. I really thought that it was going to spray all over the place, but at the end of the day there's only 0.5 of a millimeter on the average groupings between the two. I think I'll have to rethink the slugs again.